Perfect.
Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Abarth. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a full removal of the carpet. Well, sadly, I already removed all the carpet, but we're going to be replacing it with some of the sheet metal. And then I'll go over what this sheet metal is called and all the tools I'm going to be using. So right now, guys, I'm going to show you a quick view of how the car looks with all the carpet removed, fully gutted out. And then I'll show you guys a quick preview of how it looks. So here we have it completely gutted out. There's legit no carpet from front to the back. And then I'll show you the other side, and I'll show you how it looks as a finished product. So this is it right here, guys. Finished product. And then I think it has a cleaner look. Definitely lose some pounds on the car, so it's gonna weigh less. I don't know what kind of a difference that'll make, but that's what we're aiming for. This right here. Got the brand new, oh, not brand new, these are my old harnesses. I just added the little padding. But yeah, guys, let's get to it. Alrighty, guys, so I'll just put it out there, I am no expert when it comes to sheet metal and cutting any kind of sheet metal or any of this stuff. So I'm kind of just going off my head and my thought and how it's going to work. So you guys saw how the driver's side came out. It came out pretty good. So what I have right here is I went to Harbor Freight, got myself a jigsaw right here. I don't know if this is the right one, but anyways, whatever. I got that. Got myself some clamps from Harbor Freight too. I think these were like $3. This was $50. And then the battery, I think it's an extra, what, $29, I believe it is. So I don't know how much that is. Do the math yourself. I bought 2 clamps. I got a filer. I already had this available with me, so I don't have to buy that. Measuring tape, just to measure the sizes of your passenger and driver's side. And yeah, and then some sheet metal. And then this sheet metal is called, it's diamond tread sheet metal. I got it at Lowe's, and I believe it's $34.99. So I bought 2 of them. It came out to like, what, 60 something, I believe it was, or like 70. I don't know. But this is the specs I got. Alrighty, guys, so let's go ahead and set this up right here. If you guys have a better way of doing this, like an actual professional cutting board, leave a comment below. I think that should work, hopefully. Then we got, go ahead and grab our flimsy ass clamps here. Go ahead and then tighten that. Find a good spot on the table. Tighten that sucker up. It's not sketchy at all, guys. Kinda scared, but let's do it. And that's how I cut my finger. It might be a little way too out, probably. But you know what? I don't care. Let's go ahead and do it. That's how I cut my finger. I already did cut my finger. It's not too bad. It's not too deep. You guys can tell. So yeah, I did cut it with the jigsaw. So what happened? I was using this flimsy ass table, and it just popped off, and luckily I moved my finger out of the way, but I still got a glimpse of my freaking finger. Alright, round 2. Now this time should be a lot better, I freaking hope. That was better than I thought. Way better than I thought I would do. Proud of myself, guys. Oh god, no. YouTube's gonna censor me if I let that jam play. Alrighty guys, so once you're completely satisfied with your cut, like I am, it's just the best it's gonna get with my experience. Just go ahead and install it. So what you can do here is you can go ahead and rivet it, but I don't have any rivets or a rivet gun, so I'm gonna go ahead and I think it's like a 3M double side tape for the meantime. I'm gonna go ahead and lay them out on each one of these little panel thingies right here, and then go ahead and lay this thing on top of it. Cool. Alrighty guys, so I have the double-sided tape laid out already, so you can see what I meant by putting it in each little thingamabobber. Once that's done, just go ahead and grab your sheet metal, and with this ugly side, I'm gonna go ahead and tuck it in underneath here if I can. Try to get underneath the cords. Ah, damn. Close enough, whatever. So let's go ahead and zoom out and show you guys the finished product. And there it is, guys. That side came out good. This side, whatever's, I guess. The good thing is my side came out good and my girl's side came out so I ain't tripping. I don't think she would even care. And I got my harnesses, and her harnesses are not even put on yet, so I gotta go ahead and do that, guys. But anyways, guys, thank y'all once again for tuning in. This is Narrow Abarth signing out. I didn't cut my finger or completely cut it off, guys, so go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Peace out, and don't forget to subscribe, guys.